Hi, I'm Chef Jimmy Kia with over 20 years of experience in the baking industry. Today, I will be guiding you through the process of making New York roll using Saf-instant Red. Here are the ingredients: flour strong 550 gram, water 300 ml, sugar 32 gram, Saf-instant Red 11 gram, salt 9 gram, Magic Mix bread improvers 3 grams, skimmed milk powder 18 grams, unsalted butter 30 grams. So we start by mixing all the dry ingredients in the mixer. Saf-instant Red can be mixed directly with dry ingredient without being rehydrated. So we mix for 4 minutes at slow speed and 5 minutes for high speed. Final dough temperature to be at 21 degrees Celsius. Roll the dough to 20 cm by 40 cm and heat in the chiller. So after mixing, we rest the dough in the chiller for about 35 minutes. This step helps develop the dough structure, crucial for relaxation. Next, incorporate the slightly softened butter into the dough and roll into a single fold. Roll the dough to a thickness of 3 mm and a length of 30 cm, and we cut into stripes with a 2 cm width. Let them proof at 28 to 32 degrees Celsius for about 90 minutes. After proving, preheat your oven at 220 degrees. Bake the dough at 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes or until golden brown. Here is the New York roll made with Saf-instant Red. You can coat with chocolate ganache and garnish with desire. Thank you for watching.